The people selling you a $70,000 SUV go home in something completely different. And today, we are telling you exactly what it is. They see which engines fill the service bays. They watch which platforms fail at 90,000 miles. And they buy the ones that almost never come back. 10 specific picks, exact engine codes, real reliability scores, and the honest reason each one earns its place. Let's get into all 10 of them. Number 10, 2021 to 2022 Lexus RX 350, the 2021 to 22 Lexus RX 350 with the 2GR FK's 3.5-liter naturally aspirated 6-cylinder sits at $30,000 to $38,000 on the current used market, 40% to 50% below original MSRP for a platform documented past 250,000 miles with nothing beyond scheduled maintenance. No turbocharger, no cylinder deactivation. A proven, over-engineered 6-cylinder that Lexus service advisors know intimately and trust completely. Verify the airbag sensor recall completion on 2020 and 2021 examples via NHTSA before purchase. Coming up, the small SUV with the highest J.D. Power reliability score in its entire segment. Not the RAV4, not the Car-V, something most buyers walk past without a second glance. Number 9, 2022 to 2025 Buick Encore GX. The Buick Encore GX holds the highest J.D. Power reliability score of any small SUV in the entire database, 90 out of 100. That puts it above the Honda Car-V, above the Mazda CX-5, and above the Toyota RAV4 in J.D. Power's small SUV quality rankings. Buyers walk past it because it says Buick. Dealer employees buy it because it says 90 out of 100. Target the all-wheel drive L3T 1.3-liter 9-speed configuration. Verify the 2024 instrument panel software recall is resolved before purchase. New pricing starts around $32,000. Number 8 is the exact same platform as the Encore GX, $9,000 less. Tied for number 1 in J.D. Power alongside the Subaru Crosstrek. Number 8, 2023 to 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer, same platform as the Encore GX, same powertrain family, same JD. Power result 86 out of 100, tied for number 1 in the small SUV segment alongside the Subaru Crosstrek. US. News names it the most reliable, affordable SUV of 2026. New pricing starts at $23,000, one of the least expensive entries into the top reliability tier of any SUV segment. Same instrument panel recall applies as the Encore GX. Verify it is resolved. Beyond that, among the cleanest ownership records in the subcompact segment at any price. Number 7, 2022 to 2025 Mazda CX-30 US News. News rates the Mazda CX-30 at 9.1 out of 10, the highest overall score of any affordable SUV on their 2026 ranking, across reliability, safety, performance, and value simultaneously. The base PYVPS 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder is the same engine family, giving the CX-5 a 93 out of 100 Auto Reliability Index score and a $447 annual repair cost. The 2.5-liter turbocharged variant adds 250 horsepower on the same proven platform. New base pricing starts at $26,000. Use 2022 to 2023 examples, $18,000 to $24,000. Up next, the 3-row family hauler that Motor Trend called SUV of the Year. Now on used lots right now for under $30,000. Number 6, 2022 to 2023 Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride earned J.D. Power's great rating across 2022 and 2023. RepairPal annual repair cost, $477, well below the industry average of $652. 3 rows, 291 horsepower. Interior that competes with trucks costing $15,000 more. Target 2022 and 2023, specifically lower exterior trim complaint volume than 2024, which generated its own delamination recall. The Lambda 2 naturally aspirated 6-cylinder has no meaningful complaint pattern across any Telluride production year. Used prices, $30,000 to $38,000. Number 5, 2022 to 2025 Subaru Crosstrek in JD. powers 2025 small SUV rankings. 2 vehicles tied for first at 86 out of 100, the Trailblazer and the Subaru Crosstrek. The Crosstrek earns that while delivering standard all-wheel drive on every single trim at no extra cost. Not an option. Standard. The FB25D 2.5-liter naturally aspirated flat 4 arrived in 2022, adding 182 horsepower and resolving the underpowered highway complaint on earlier models. Repair Pal, 4.0 out of 5.0. Annual cost, $515. Ground clearance, 8.7 inches. New pricing starts at $27,000. Number 4, the Toyota Platform Hybrid, returning 42 miles per gallon combined with all-wheel drive standard, under $30,000. Number 4, 2022 to 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. US News names the Toyota Corolla Cross the most fuel-efficient affordable SUV of 2026. The hybrid returns 42 miles per gallon combined with all-wheel drive standard at a starting price under $30,000. The M20A FXS 2.0-liter hybrid system is the same architecture used across the RAV4 hybrid, Camry hybrid, and Venza refined across millions of production units. Cox Automotive documents Toyota at just a 33-day average inventory, meaning these vehicles move fast. If you find one at MSRP, that is the deal. Number 3, 2020 to 2023 Toyota Highlander. The Repair Pal rates the Toyota Highlander number 1 in the midsize SUV segment, 4.0 out of 5.0. Annual repair cost, $489. Car lifespan check projects 250 to 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. Clean 2020 to 2021 examples with the 2GR FK's 3.5-liter naturally aspirated 6-cylinder are available for $26,000 to $32,000 right now. The 2022 to 2023 hybrid with the A25A FXX adds 36 miles per gallon combined with all-wheel drive and sits between $32,000 and $40,000. Either powertrain earns the same Repair Pal recognition. Number 2, the same 3-row SUV, a different price window, and a used market opportunity that changes the financial argument entirely. And number 1 closes the list with the pick dealer's reach for most consistently of all. Number 2, 2020 to 2021 Kia Telluride Motor Trend SUV of the year 2020. Lambda 2 G6DC 3.8-liter naturally aspirated 6-cylinder. Repair Pal, $477 per year. 3 rows. The same platform we covered at number 6 now with 60 to 90,000 miles on it, sitting in used lots for $24,000 to $30,000. The reliability is identical. The ownership cost is identical. The only thing that changed is the odometer, and on a platform with $477 per year in repairs and an engine built to run past 200,000 miles, that reading is an opportunity, not a warning. Verify all recalls complete via NATSA before purchase. Get a compression check above 70,000 miles. Number 1, 2022 to 2024 Mazda CX-5 Auto Reliability Index, 93 out of 100, one of the highest scores assigned to any SUV in any segment, and the Repair Pal annual repair cost is $447. The 2025 model reported just 1.8 complaints per 10,000 vehicles sold. That is statistically close to 0, in a market where most vehicles generate 5 to 10 times that volume. The PYVPS 2.5-liter Skyactiv G is naturally aspirated. No turbocharger on the base configuration. No cylinder deactivation. No variable displacement. Mazda refined this engine across multiple generations, and the complaint data shows the same result every time. This engine almost never generates patterns. Here is what dealer employees understand that most buyers do not. The CX-5 interior belongs in a vehicle costing $10,000 to $15,000 more. The materials, the switchgear, the driving dynamics, all of it competes directly with premium alternatives at half the price. Sitting in a 2022 CX-5 back-to-back with a RAV4 or a Rogue at a similar price point changes how buyers think about what a compact SUV should feel like. New pricing, $30,000 to $37,000. Used 2022 to 2023 examples, $22,000 to $30,000. Dealers buy the CX-5 because they know what comes back to the service bay, and the CX-5 almost never does. That is the entire case. That is number 1. Every vehicle on this list was chosen for the same reason. The people who know cars best, who see what breaks, what costs a fortune, and what comes back for more, they chose these. Not because someone told them to, because the data did. Now you have the same list they have. Subscribe for more content like this. Drop your current SUV in the comments year, engine, and mileage. Let us know how it is holding up. See you in the next one.